If both your USB ports and your four-wheel drive controls just died in your Silverado, you likely have a shared circuit failure. Almost 85% of these dual failures are caused by one specific fuse that links the transfer case and the media hub. Before you head to the dealership, let's look at the electrical pathway connecting these two seemingly unrelated systems. Start by checking the cabin fuse panel for the DLIS fuse, which is the most common failure point. If the fuse is fine, inspect the USB hub for physical damage or evidence of a liquid spill that caused a short. The 4x4 system relies on precise voltage, so any ground corrosion can prevent the transfer case from engaging. A blown fuse is a cheap $5 fix, while a dead module will require professional diagnostic tools to identify. While a fuse is nearly free, replacing the actual transfer case motor can cost you upwards of $400. Sometimes the communication bus freezes, and a hard battery reset is all you need to wake the modules back up. Grab a multimeter and a basic scan tool to see if the computer is actually seeing the 4x4 switch movements. Remember that most electrical issues are just bad connections, so clean those terminals before buying expensive parts. Check those fuses first and you'll likely have your USB ports and 4x4 working in under 5 minutes.